Welcome back to Timeless Foodies. Here I am Pallavi, and today I'm here with a baking edition. It's Indian cookies. So I'm making two types of cookies today, that is coconut cookies and peanut cookies. It's very simple and tasty with very few ingredients. And if you're new to this channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you can watch similar kind of easy and tasty recipes. So let's start how to make this recipe. Let's roll. So initially I'll take a bowl and also a sift and 2 cups of maida. Or all-purpose flour. So to this I'll be adding 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. We'll sift it so that there are no lumps. The powder is ready. Since we're making 2 cookies, we have to make into 2 equal halves. So the first cookie we'll be making is coconut cookies. So for the second cookie, that is peanut cookies, we'll keep the powder aside. So for the coconut cookies, to that powder, to the all-purpose flour, I am adding 1/4 cup of dry coconut, shredded coconut. We'll mix all this well. So the powder is ready. Now I've taken a mixture jar. To that we have to use sugar. I have to take sugar for this. So I'm taking 1 cup of sugar. To this I'm adding green cardamom. We'll make this into a smooth powder. So the sugar powder is ready. So again we have to use half of it, half of the sugar powder. So the first half of the sugar I'm adding it to the coconut powder, coconut cookies that we are making. So the remaining half we'll keep it for the peanut cookies. So I'll mix all this well. So the powder is now ready. So now we have to make a dough of it. So I'm using here ghee or clarified butter. So I have used approximately 1/4 cup of ghee. So I'll mix this well initially with a spoon. Later when I have used my hand to make this into a smooth dough. Mix, mix, mix. So I've used my hand and then the dough is ready, a smooth dough. So now we have to make small balls of it. So I've taken a baking tin, a flat tin, whatever you have you can use it. So make a small balls according to your size and shape, you can use it. So here I've made small balls. So approximately for 1 cup I've got almost 25 cookies. So if at all you're making small size, you might get more cookies as well. So the first one is ready. So we'll bake it for 200 degrees centigrade in 20 minutes. So for the second cookie, the same mixture grinder where we have the sugar left, I'm adding 1/4 cup of peanuts or groundnuts and make this into a coarse powder. We don't want it to be a smooth powder because while eating we have to get a crunchy taste. Now the sugar powder with peanuts, I'm adding it to the second maida or all-purpose flour. Mix all this well. Again we have to make a smooth dough. So clarified butter, 1/4 cup again. So dough is ready. Now again we have to take a baking tin and make small balls. I've made it a little flat and bake it for 200 degrees centigrade 20 minutes. So first set of coconut cookies are ready. I hope you like this recipe. It's actually very tasty and easy, and also crunchy biscuits that we can make at home. Here I'm trying to break it. Oh, it's broken because it's crunchy. It has baked so well. And while I'm waiting, the second set of cookies, the peanut cookies, are ready. Yahoo! So if you like this recipe, do hit the like button and share this recipe with your family and friends. And if you're new, please subscribe and support me and click on the bell notification so they're the first one to receive it. So see you in the next video with another tasty and easy recipe. This is Pallavi signing off. God bless. Bye bye.